How to download Windows 10 ISO file directly from Microsoft, no tool needed. Search download Windows 10 in Google. Click the first link. When this page opens, click CTRL+SHIFT+I, and from these three dots, hover to More Tools, select Network Conditions, scroll down and check Use Browser Default, and from here select Android Mobile or Android iPad. Select any device except Windows, and now refresh the page. And by that, this option will show up. From Select Edition, select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. Select your language and click Confirm again. And now click to the version that you want to download, from 32-bit or 64-bit. And the file will start downloading. And that's it all for today's video.